Selamat pagi, selamat datang Learn Indonesian with Chandra. Alright. Now we are going to talk about how to introduce yourself and then to call for the first person, pronoun for the first person, and then how to say goodbye. Right? Before that, we are going to review what we have last week. Are you ready? Right. Do you remember last week? We try, ya? Right. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Selamat siang. Selamat siang. Selamat sore. Selamat sore. Selamat malam. Selamat malam. Good. Right. You have that. Right. Nama saya Chandra. Nama saya and then your name. Good. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. Right. Good. And now, for all the greetings, you can do it. I believe you can do it. Now, I'm going to review for the quiz. Yes? Right. You remember? Do you remember for the quiz? Right. The first question is, how to say good afternoon? The answer, selamat siang. Right? That's the first. The second, how to say how is your feeling? The answer, apa kabar? Right, good. And the third, the last one, how to say I live in Australia? Saya tinggal di Australia. Right, for all those are, I believe you can do it and you can remember. Are you ready for the lesson? Right, for the lesson 2. Pelajaran kedua. Bahasa pelajaran kedua or lesson 2. Are you ready? Apakah Anda siap? Apakah Anda siap? Yes, I am ready. Ya, saya siap. Alright, we start. Alright, for the lesson 1, pelajaran pertama. Now we are going to introduce ourselves. I'm going to introduce myself. Right? Nama saya Chandra. You just listen, ya. Nama saya Chandra. Saya orang Indonesia. Saya berasal dari Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. Alright? Now is your turn. Nama saya Chandra. Good. Saya orang Indonesia. Good. Saya berasal dari Jakarta. Good. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. Right, good. Do you know what does it mean? Saya berasal dari Indonesia. Do you know what does it mean? Saya orang Indonesia. Right. We are going to learn this. Saya orang Indonesia, it means I am Indonesian people. So you just put on your country, right? And the second, saya berasal dari Indonesia. I come from Indonesia. It's not too different. Same. Right? Saya tinggal di Jakarta. I live in Jakarta. Okay, you can do it? Yes, of course, you can do it. Now, I'll give you again. Alamat saya, it means my address. Jalan Permata Ujung. It means Permata Ujung Street. Jakarta Barat. West Jakarta. Jakarta Barat. Right. Alamat rumah saya Jalan Permata Ujung. Now it's your turn. Good. Jakarta Barat. Good. Right. Now you can do it. That's all. Just introduce yourself very a little, basically. Right now, next we are going to learn about the person, pronoun of the first person. We start. Saya. Just listen. Saya. It means I. The other language, aku. It means I. Aku. Or the other language, gua. Actually, for gua, it's for your close friend, informal situation, same as for the age. Yeah, right. Next, bapak. It means man or sir or mister. Bapak. Now it's your turn. Bapak. How about for the woman? Ibu. Right. For the shortcut, you can make pa for the man, bu for the woman. Alright? Now, you can say also mbak. For the woman. Miss, mbak. Or for the man, mas. Alright. You got it? And then kami. It's for we. Kami. Or kita. Same as with we. Alright? So what did you have? Can you say? Saya, aku, gua, bapak, ibu, mbak, mas, kami, kita. You got it? I believe you can. You just try, speak and speak. Right? I believe you can do it. It's very, very simple. Now I'm going to make a quiz for you. Your Indonesian is better and better every day, right? The first question in here, are you ready? The first, I live in Jakarta. My address, Jalan Permata Ujung, Jakarta Barat. You just put your answer. Okay, I don't have to make the option. Right. The second, I come from Indonesian. So how to say in Indonesian? And the last one, I am Indonesian people. How to say I am Indonesian people in Indonesian, right? Thank you for today in Indonesian. Terima kasih buat hari ini. Terima kasih buat hari ini. Thank you for today. Selamat berpisah. Sampai jumpa lagi. Goodbye and see you later. See you and bye-bye. Sampai jumpa lagi. Sampai jumpa lagi. Bye-bye.